Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be going over Fatello's delivery service. As you know, AI has absolutely disrupted the industry with their incredible AI editing capabilities, and now they're offering a complete end-to-end from scheduling, editing, and delivery to real estate photography. The big question is, and I'm seeing a lot of comments about this, is, hey, can Fatello actually do this? It seems like they're trying to do too much here. I wish they would just focus on AI editing. The fact is, they're already the best in AI editing available on the market. And I know that I'm sponsored, so you guys may think that I'm biased here, but I had offers from the other softwares for getting sponsored. I went with Fatello because they were the best, not only with their editing quality, but also their business acumen and their business methods. I just agree with them completely, a lot more than anyone else out there. Now, what you guys might not know, Harmon is partnered with a developer. He's the one running everything behind the scenes, making sure everything works. His name is Ray, and he's a previous employee, a former developer for Amazon. If there's anybody capable of delivering a high quality online scheduling experience or purchase experience, it's got to be him. In fact, I don't think any other developers in the industry can hold a candle to this guy. So, and by the way, I am 100% incentivized to trash Fatello's delivery service because I have my own delivery service. So it would obviously incentivize me or hurt me to promote them as well. But if you've guys seen my other videos, I have said before, I'm not out here to just trash on people. I know that I'm very critical of certain, businesses or business practices in other videos. I've always been doing this so that real estate photographers can get more high quality vendors and companies to work with in our industry. Does Fatello deliver that with their delivery software? Let's go ahead and hop in. If you guys want to check it out for yourself, go ahead, go to your browser, type in fatello.co, and go ahead and sign up. You can start for free. You don't have to pay anything. You can go in there. It's a complete sandbox. You can upload photos, see what it's like. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and sign into an account I have made specifically for the delivery software here. They have a setup guide, first of all, that is really nice. You can go through this. It'll connect you step by step. But I want to go ahead and skip ahead and look at their order form and products. First of all, you can create packages, you can have services, you can create add-ons. The packages are super easy to set up. You can change the descriptions, you can change the tiers here, very simple. It's all very clean. First of all, if you guys have gone into other softwares, you'll notice that the sidebar is just an absolute horror show to navigate through. And that's just an indication of how poorly the entire software is built. So I'm very impressed, first of all, that you see what you recognize already with the editing, but here in the storefront, it is very simple, it's powerful, it has all the features you would want, but it's very easily navigatable and organized. So that is a great indication this is a quality software. If you need to edit any of these things, you can go ahead and do that, but let's go ahead and move straight to the order form. If you guys want to see your order form, you can go there, and you can go ahead and copy the URL to this, paste it in your browser. And I haven't, really spent a lot of time setting this up. This is just what it looks like. Okay, so first of all, super clean and very simple. The key thing we have to work at as real estate photographers is not confusing real estate agents, because let's be honest, they're a little bit computer illiterate. And by a little bit, I mean a whole lot. So it's impossible for them to get confused here. Where's your property? You type in the address. So I'm just going to type in a dummy address here, and boom, it is automatically filled in with all the additional information. Super easy, not a lot of friction there. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the square footage as well, because this order form, changes the prices and the times that it takes to fulfill the orders based off of the information they're putting in. And boom, here is your order form. You'll notice that it's dynamic. All of the animations are, attractive. They got all the information so you can clearly see what's going on here. And it makes it very easy for the real estate agent to go ahead and order. If I were to order a package here, it does have additional add-on services that get offered on the side. So this is important for helping us make money by upselling the client when appropriate. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that on and then continue to scheduling. And we're moving right along here through a few steps to get this done. So we have the available times. This is compatible with your Google Calendar. So if you want to integrate this and make sure you're not getting double booked with your personal appointments, you can do that. So if I wanted to select a time here, I could do that. Also, rather than having to make settings on the back end on behalf of your clients, they can go ahead and change this to 12-hour, 24-hour. I love those little details. Okay, this is very thoughtful, considerate of the user experience. They can answer answers here. How will I access the property? Lockbox 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 3. And then if they have any other questions, they can go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and continue. And this is nice. I know that a lot of people don't want to require the real estate agent to make their account, so they can actually continue as guest. I'm just going to go ahead and fill in some dummy information here. Notice how that was auto-completed. Gorgeous. And then they can select their payment method. But in this setting, the way I have it set up, they're not required to pay at booking. Some of you guys prefer that. The point is you can have them pay at booking or at download. So once again, great, simple, easy booking process. I definitely give them a green light for that. Now, in this situation, you can have them go ahead and click confirm booking. So what this is going to do is have it sent to your account where you can choose to accept it or not. So if I go back here into this, we had essentially someone create an order. I'm going to go now to my orders and see if it was accepted automatically, and it was. Now, you guys can have a setting. If you go to your order form and you go to the settings, you can either have it auto approve or manual approve. So these are just the different types of things that you can have done. You can change your intake questions. You can change your preferences. I know a lot of you guys are really particular about your brand color. You can put in a hex code for that. And of course, all of your business details. And yes, you can also put in your domain if you want to white label your domain. So all of the things that you really think are key, like deal breakers, are taken care of already. And once again, Fatello is very early in the process here with their order form. So it's not like this is not going to continue getting developed. Once again, you can change your products, your services, your add-ons. But let's go ahead and see what this order looks like. If you guys wanted to adjust things, you could edit that here in the info at any time. You can also create invoices or change the invoice. It's completely customizable. So no problems there. The big question is the delivery. So if I was going to upload things, and I'm just going to go to a different product so I don't have to sit here, or a different order and sit here and upload all those things again, you can go to photos and upload all of your photos. This will be a process that you're familiar with, okay? Where you just upload photos and then automatically edit them using Fatello's advanced AI. But also, you can upload your videos, your virtual tours, and your floor plans. So I uploaded a video because I want to show you guys their awesome websites. And then you have virtual tours if you wanted to add that link, like Matterports and floor plans. For the purpose of this, I'm not going to bother uploading it. Let's go ahead and look at their websites. So they have a lot of free templates here that you can use, and these are going to go ahead and upload, or rather load up. I'm going to select this, Elevate one. The reason why I like Elevate is because it has a giant hero banner showing off the video that we uploaded. As you guys know, video is very important to real estate agents right now. So the fact that we can feature that video in a gorgeous environment like this, where they can scroll down and see all of the information, and most importantly, get leads to the real estate agent. This is, my email, because that's the email that I signed up with to this account. But if the real estate agent signed up with their email and their phone number, that's what it would show. And you'll notice that it ingested some of the information that they entered at the beginning. I entered 1,200 square feet for that order. But if they needed to edit this, they could very easily do that by just changing the property info here. So they click the edit button, and then they're taken to the location, the description. They can put in the basic information. They can enter how many stories, bedrooms, and baths they had. I'm just going to go ahead and enter this: 3-bedroom, 2 full baths. Let's say 2.5, and then we'll throw in parking there. Save, and then if we're going to go back to the order, here and view the website, you can see that all of those things that we just entered are already updated live. So everything is very streamlined. It's very easy to adjust. It works. It's not buggy. I know you real estate photographers are like deer. You're very scared of trying new out things and you're very skeptical. But folks, once in a while, we actually get good companies to enter our industry and give us what we want. We should support them and move to them if, we get the chance, because if we continue working with companies that don't give us what we want, it's like, politics right now. We keep asking our representatives to give us what we want, and they just do the exact opposite. Why do we keep voting for them? In our company that we work with in business, we have a lot more powerful of our say. If we're working with vendors or companies that don't give us what we want, stop sending them our money and send our money to another company that is actually, doing good for us. Now, this is just the simple beginning of looking at what we have here. One of the things that's most powerful, and I actually really like this for a lot of reasons, is the way that the real estate agent is actually prompted to receive the photos, and also gives them the opportunity to make adjustments with the opportunity to upsell. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my Gmail here. If you guys wanted to deliver this, you could go ahead and deliver it, and you can assign, more customers if you need to. You can send it to multiple people. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. So this is the email that your clients are going to get. It's very simple. You have your listing media, and then you can view the branded website just to see, so you guys can see that it's uploaded the adjustments that I made live. All of those adjustments are made live, so they're updated even after the delivery is made. But the beauty about this is they can view the listing media, okay? They can download it all. They can see the videos and the websites, and they can see their orders if they want to. They have to create an account to be able to do that. But the beauty about this is they can select any of these photos, and they can select create twilight or create staging. Now watch this. When you have the opportunity to create this twilight, the real estate agent can select their settings or their preferences, and they can create it, and you make the money. Now, of course, there is the standard charge depending on what account or what payment plan you're going with Fatello, but I think it's $1 on most plans to create the image. It charges the real estate agent $10, so you profit $9 when that happens. All right, at least, don't quote me on that, but that's exactly how I think it goes. So you guys can also, back here in your order form, and in your products and your add-ons, you actually can set the prices for this as well. So if you want to set a price of $25 for a twilight, or $50 for a twilight, or $10 for a twilight, then you can do that. And this solves a lot of problems. First of all, it saves you a lot of time, but also in regards to our licensing and the controversy surrounding that, where real estate agents are trying to use more AI and cut us out of the equation, this is facing that head on, because we're making it so convenient for the real estate agent to work with us that why would they waste their time trying to do it through something else? All right. So this is going to cut out a lot of that and keep the revenue where it belongs, which is with the real estate photographer. So big W. I've not seen anything like this from any of the software. So Fatello is not just copying what everyone else is doing. And that's what a lot of people do when they create software. Fatello is creating their own idea here, seeing an opportunity to proceed forward and pioneer new ways to do things in the market. And they're doing it better than everybody else. Because you guys can see how easy this is to use. And I'm sure that there are things like, oh, well, does it have this feature? Well, does it have that feature? Does it have this super edge case feature that almost nobody is going to use? And I know how Fatello probably feels about that, because I have people who try to join my software all the time, and they're like, okay, it has all these features and this is great, but does it have this one, frankly, stupid feature that nobody needs? No. Okay, well, I'm not using it, right? Guys, for 99% of real estate photographers, who are in the Facebook group complaining because a real estate agent once again hasn't paid their invoice, this is the type of software you need to use. And the single best part about Fatello's delivery service is that it's completely free. So if you're using Fatello to edit your images, then the delivery service is just a cherry on top. And it's a big cherry on top because it also makes you more money on top of that. So that is my quick review and overview of Fatello's delivery service. If you guys want to check it out yourself, I am having links in the descriptions, and I have a pinned comment with more information. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them below. But guys, this is a huge opportunity, and I'm really looking forward to seeing Fatello grow. I'm very happy to have another option in the industry that is a great delivery service.